The NSBRC is one of the premier resources for self-builders in the UK.
As a permanent exhibition area, it's fantastic.
It just gives everybody the ability to do everything we need to do under one roof. Fantastic setup.
We find that the quality of the people here is really useful to us.
One of the things that's really interesting about the visitors that we get here is that they're generally very informed.
We've generally found the quality of the leads here have been much higher than a lot of the other shows because there's just so much here.
People don't just necessarily come here once, they come here multiple times because there's so much to see, and of course your self-build journey is quite a complicated one.
It does seem to be lots of people's first port of call. So it does give you the opportunity to get in on the ground floor on projects.
If people are coming here and looking for fantastic windows, then they're also seeing fantastic building automation.
We've had a client came back today where they came back to tell me, we need to buy another unit, we're building another house.
3 times a year there are shows. So those are amazing opportunities with a lot of footfall.
At a show, anywhere between 80 and 100 really good leads, and certainly we've got some great customers off the back of being here.
We can just turn up straight away and our stand is fully functional as we get there, so it keeps costs down.
I would say you want to come down and visit the centre on a non-show day, and then you also want to visit it on a show day and speak to a couple of the exhibitors as well, because it's a very big family here. Everybody gets on.
And we have market days where we meet other exhibitors, where we can work, find synergy with them.
The events and all the eco workshops are outstanding throughout the year.
You have opportunities to give presentations, live presentations. You have opportunities to provide consultations, which the NSBRC help to organise.
And then the other bit is around how do we make sure that that our stand speaks for itself when we're not here.
There's a very clever barcode scanning system, so they don't even need to have a member of staff here. The centre's open 6 days a week with customers coming through, and they'll be receiving inquiries through the scanning system.
Each year it's a very easy decision to keep renewing and coming back.
There are a whole load of like-minded people here who want to make buildings better, who are coming up with solutions to make buildings better. The more of them that get together and have that conversation together, the faster, I believe, we can drive the evolution of just making buildings in the UK better.